What is multimedia? So we have multi here and media. Multi means many. Media is combining video, audio, animation, text, graphics, interactivity. Elements of multimedia. We have text, we have graphics, we have audio, video, animation. Let's define multimedia. So, multimedia is a combination of text, graphics, video, audio, and animation, and creating a single piece of content. This fusion of different media elements allows interactive experiences that can convey information, evoke emotions, and stimulate multiple senses simultaneously. Text. The first component is text. Text serves as the foundation of many multimedia presentations, providing context, explanations, and narratives. Whether it's through articles, captions, or dialogue, text plays a crucial role in conveying information and guiding the audience through the multimedia experience. Graphics. The second component is graphics. Graphics combines a wide range of visual elements: photographs, illustrations, diagrams, and icons. These elements help to enhance understanding, add an aesthetic element to it, and reinforce key concepts within multimedia. Audio, sound effects, music, narration, voiceovers are all part of audio within multimedia. Audio creates mood and atmosphere and enhances the overall sensory experience. Video. Video content brings emotion and dynamic visuals within multimedia. For example, presentations, storytelling, demonstrations, and real-life simulations. From short clips to full-length movies, video has the power to capture attention and convey complex ideas in a compelling manner. Animation. Animation adds movement and interactivity to multimedia, creating engaging visual sequences that can explain complex processes and entertain and educate through animation. Examples. Here we have Adobe Animate and Microsoft PowerPoint. Both are interactive and contain multimedia. Entertainment. Multimedia offers a range of immersive experiences from movies, animation, video games. It has so much to offer. Endless opportunities for storytelling, creativity, and escapism. High quality graphics and visuals combining fantastic audio, it transports audiences into new worlds. Education. Multimedia plays a pivotal role within multimedia. Multimedia facilitates learning experiences that are engaging, interactive, and accessible to students. Educational videos, interactive simulations help students to understand complex systems and processes. Advertising and marketing. Multimedia is a powerful tool for brands and advertisers seeking to capture their target audience. Eye-catching graphics and compelling videos help convey the brand's message to its audience and creates engagement. Digital journalism. Multimedia journalism leverages a combination of text, graphics, audio, video to deliver news stories in an informative manner. Through multimedia storytelling, journalists can provide audiences with immersive experiences that offer deep insights into complex issues, events around the globe. Virtual reality and augmented reality. VR and AR have pushed the boundaries of multimedia, enabling users to fully immerse themselves into virtual environments. From virtual tours to interactive training simulations, VR and AR offer new experiences within education and entertainment. Challenges and considerations. Accessibility. Ensuring that multimedia content is accessible to individuals with disabilities, such as visual or hearing impairments, requires careful consideration of principles alternative formats, and assistive technologies. Bandwidth and compatibility. The delivery of multimedia across many different devices and platforms may cause compatibility issues. Optimizing for different screen sizes, resolutions, and connection speeds is essential to meet user requirements. Copyright and intellectual property. Multimedia creators must navigate complex legal frameworks governing copyright, intellectual rights, and fair use. Obtaining permission for using third-party content is essential to avoid infringement. Ethical considerations. As multimedia technologies to grow, ethical considerations around privacy and data security and digital manipulation become important. Upholding ethical standards and respecting user rights are essential for building trust and credibility within multimedia. Conclusion. In conclusion, multimedia represents a dynamic and multifaceted medium that has transformed the way we interact with digital content. Multimedia offers endless possibilities for communication, creativity, and engagement across many platforms. That's it for now, and see you in the next video.